Hi, my name is Linda and I'm from Indonesia, and now I'm currently working in DewTouch company as a programmer / innovator. I think working in DewTouch is completely different from what I did in my previous company. DewTouch is like very sophisticated. DewTouch also tried to make this big product to be as structured as possible, and I think I'm learning a lot to that, like how to make everything when I do work or code is like become more structured, and how I work with team when I do this programming remotely. Yeah, so I think that is something that I learned from DewTouch. One of my vision is that I always want what I did and whatever I do, it will help someone else. Even though like in DewTouch we are actually also helping these small medium enterprise company to work better. So I like if I can contribute something to others. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a programmer in this company. So we help the company to build up a system and create a feature to help our customer to solve their problem. Okay, as a fresh grad, I think DewTouch provide a good platform which help me improve my skill and my knowledge in this industry. Okay, I think what I learned from this company is time management, because time management skill is very important in this industry. So we need to manage our time to meet our requirements. Yeah. So I think this is very important, and what I learned from this